Hello friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Omi in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour, and I am also show you as it a best time to sell, buy or hold Omi in the last 1 hour, because it is a new start of a new month. That is why a lot of people confuse that they hold, sell or buy Omi cryptocurrency. So in this video I'm going to show you with a live proof. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of news and updates. As you can see now, at this time currently the price prediction of Omi in the last 2 hour. So the last 2 hour price prediction tell us that the Omi falls down in the previous hour, and today as a third April, as you can see here, at the start of new month every cryptocurrency falls down. So it is clear that don't worry about the falling of the Omi in the start of new month. As you can see here, it is continuously falling of every cryptocurrencies. Don't worry about the currently falls. After a 5th April, their jumping time is soon. As you can see here, they are currently in jumping move. As you can see here, peg move of the Omi starts from this time. As you can see here, after a 5th April, their jumping is very high at this after. So wait for a 5th April, and the big move are coming in the 5th April. So wait for a 5th April, hold your Omi with the 5th of the April, and with the last of this month, they will make you a millionaire. As you can see here, that is a live price prediction. Currently changes is very bad, but soon they are in positive. So wait for the end of this month. Please hold your Omi in the with the last of this month. The changes is current about negative 1.84% change occur in the Omi in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of Omi is about $0.009459 is the high price of Omi in the last 2 hour. Friends, that is a live price prediction of previous last 2 hour. Now let's see the previous last 1 hour result of the Omi in the cryptocurrencies market. As I show you in the start of this video, as you can see here, that is the start of new month. That is why they falls down. As you can see here, currently they are jumping, but now currently at this time they are again take a falls down, and that is the start of new month. That is where that is why they fast down for a later time and take a jump for a later time. After a 5th April, their interval starts. As you can see here, as I told you in the start of this video, wait for 5th April and 10th April. Their high jump are coming soon in the 5th and 10th April. So wait for it. As you can see here, the last 1 hour changes is a negative 1.82%, but don't worry about this change. As you can see here, the high price of Omi in the previous last 1 hour is about $0.009321 is the high price of Omi in the last 1 hour. So friends, don't worry about the currently change of the Omi. Soon they are in negative. After a 5th April, their jumping period start. So wait for it, and also press the subscribe button and stay connected with the Abby Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.